Sir Halford John Mackinder was born the 15th of February 1861 in Gainsborough, Lincolnshire. He died aged 86 on the 6th of March 1947. He studied at Queen Elizabeth Grammar School and then went on to the prestigious Christ Church in Oxford, in which 13 of the previous Prime Ministers have studied at. While at Oxford, he studied natural sciences and then specialised in zoology. During this time, he became a strong believer in treating human geography and physical geography as separate disciplines. In 1887, he published On the Scope and Methods of Geography. Later that year, he was appointed a Reader in Geography at the University of Oxford, which was the most prestigious academic position for a British geographer at the time. In 1899, he led the first European expedition to the summit of Mount Kenya. During the time he spent there, his evolving ideas of the empire solidified and shaped his published literature, The Geographical Pivot of History. This paper contained his world-famous theory, known as the World Island and the Heartland theory. He concluded that who rules Eastern Europe commands the heartland, who rules the heartland commands the world island, and who rules the world island commands the world. It's important to recognise that Mackinder created such theories based on reflection on the intricate dynamics and relationships between geography, political power, and military strategy, interwoven with demography and economics.
Mackinder's work paved the way for the establishment of geography as a distinct discipline in the United Kingdom. His role in fostering the teaching of geography is probably greater than any other single British geographer. Mackinder is often credited with introducing two new terms into the English language, manpower and heartland. In 1944, he received the Charles P. Daly Medal from the American Geographical Society, and in 1945, he was awarded the Royal Geographical Society Patron's Gold Medal. The RGS recognised and acknowledged his achievements and the advancements he made for the study of geography as a whole. The award was given him with the title for his long and distinguished service in the advancement of science of geography. Halford Mackinder indirectly aided the United States in the Cold War and their strategies, showing that his work is still being used to this day. Another example of this is China's Belt and Road Initiative. This is a global infrastructure development strategy adopted by the Chinese government in 2013 to invest in nearly 70 countries and international organisations in order to boost their economy. Brian W. Blowett states in his journal called The Imperial Vision of Halford Mackinder. Halford Mackinder was a visionary who was unsuited to be a practical politician. His decision to join the Conservatives in 1903 was a mistake. On the other hand, Arthur Duggan has praised Mackinder for his work commenting on his journal. It might be equally appropriate for the English-speaking world to call Sir Halford Mackinder the patron saint of geopolitics. In Germany, Mackinder's writing was greatly appreciated compared to other countries. Karl Haushofer, a German general professor, geographer and politician, commissioned his wife to translate his writings. This was one of the only two English writings that Haushofer had translated.